In this video, we will explain how to export your e-commerce data into Microsoft Power BI platform to explore and analyze it. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool which helps businesses turn data into actionable insights and visualize data-driven results. Power BI Connector widens the data environment by connecting Shopify store to your actual Power BI system as a data source. Have all of your e-commerce details on a single interface. Allow your team to monitor operation using Power BI and review performance to determine the overall company outcomes. With Power BI Connector, you can build a data source and add any tables and fields you want to examine in your Power BI dashboard. One of the main features of the application is that it is extremely easy to use. Let's see how it works. We need to create a data source first. Let's do it. Choose Power BI Connector on your App tab. Click Data Sources, and then Create a Data Source button. Choose a name for your connector and select the fields you need to export it. I will name it as Custom Collections and Customers. And we'll select the relevant fields. Then save it. Application generates a link for my data source. Let's copy it and go to Power BI Desktop. Click Get Data and select O Data Feed. Insert the generated data source URL and confirm. Power BI will request your Shopify credentials. The quickest way to insert them is to copy from your store. Go to Settings tab, copy your login and password, and then insert them accordingly. Click Connect and wait for a few seconds for the data to appear. The last part is to select the tables and click Load. Congrats! You've just finished importing your Shopify store data to Power BI platform. Now you can start building dashboards and necessary reports for your business analytics. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions about connecting your Shopify store to Power BI using Power BI Connector.